Hi everyone, I'm Mallory and I'm here to show you a 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4 located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color is called Carbon Black Metallic and has 93,919 kilometers on it. This vehicle also has a 3.5 liter straight 6-cylinder diesel engine that puts out 277 horsepower. This Sierra uses 10.5 liters per 100 kilometers in the city and 9.1 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway for fuel economy. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior features. So first things first, we're starting with the driver's side front interior door panel. So looking here, you have your door handle, your power locks, you have your memory driver's seat. Just down below that, you have your power mirrors, your power folding mirrors, your child safety locks, and your power windows. Just in behind that, you have another door handle. And then down at the bottom, you have a little compartment with a cup holder in it, and then a speaker just off to the side. Quick look in here at our front interior, which is leather upholstery. You do have power driver and passenger seats as well. And then just looking right over here, you have an electronic parking brake. So now we're just going to take a look at some of the features. So you have a nice leather steering wheel here with some steering wheel audio controls. So over here you have a heated steering wheel. You also have your cruise control for your set and reset, all just right here, or you can cancel. Just over here you have voice recognition, so this vehicle does have Bluetooth. And then these arrows here control your digital screen that you can see changing, just like that. And then you can hang up on a phone call just right there. Quick look here at the odometer. Over on the left-hand side, you have your RPM. Up at the top on the left-hand side, you have your temperature gauge for your oil. To the right of that, you have your temperature gauge for your coolant. To the right of that, you have your fuel gauge. And then to the right of that, you have your gauge for the voltage of your battery. Just down below at the bottom, you have your digital screen, which right now we have it on the distance that's on the vehicle, so you can see how many kilometers are on it. It also tells you the average liters per 100 kilometers, which direction you're going in, what gear you're in, and it will tell you if you're in 2-wheel or 4-wheel drive. And then over to the right, you have your speedometer. Jumping over here, taking a look at our touchscreen radio, so you can see that you have your navigation system just right here. If you click on to the home button, we have Wi-Fi in here as well. You have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You also have Sirius satellite radio. We also have AM and FM radio and Bluetooth connection. Like I said before, you can hook up your phone. Right to here, you have Amazon Alexa. Now we're going to take a look at the backup camera. So this is just a quick look at what the backup camera looks like. You can also have a couple different views, so you can hit trailer on there as well, so you can have a nice big view of everything. Now just coming down here, you have a few more controls for the radio, your volume or your tuning right there. Just down below here, you have dual zone AC and heat. You also have your rear window defrost. You have heated and ventilated seats, so you can choose to do the full back and bottom of the seat or just the back for heated. You also have a downhill assist. This button here, this vehicle will stop at, it will shut off at stop signs and stoplights, but if you hit this button, it will stay running. Here you have a power tailgate. You can just click this button here, or the button on the key fob, or just the button on the back, and it'll go down. You have your 4-ways, and then you also have your traction control. Just down below here, you have your USB-C port, USB-A port, 12-volt outlet, and then a 120-volt outlet here. Here we also have a wireless phone charger. Let's not forget this vehicle is a push-button start as well. Quick look at some of our cup holders, and now we're going to lift up our little center console here. You can see we have an auxiliary input, USB-A port, USB-C port, and then an SD slot. And a nice big console, great for storing your purse or anything that you may need. Looking just up top here, you have some map lights, but you also have your controls for your power tilt sliding sunroof here, and you have an integrated garage door opener. Looking over here, you have a little compartment up top, but down below here you also have your glove compartment, great for storing manuals for the vehicle or any maintenance bills you may have. Now looking over on the passenger side, you can see that we have our power locks and power windows. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So now we're going to take a look at some of the driver's side exterior features. So first thing, just up in the front here, you have 2 front tow hooks. You also have your fog lights. Coming up along the side, you have your 18-inch alloy wheels. You also have your integrated turn signal mirrors with an integrated roof antenna up top, and some running boards both on the driver's side and passenger side. Now we're going to come up and take a look at the rear and the trunk of the vehicle. So you can see that you have a nice big step bumper. And so with this trunk, you can do it 2 ways. The top button here, if you see the seam, only opens up where the seam is. The bottom button, if you press and hold it, will drop the whole tailgate. And now you can look in, you see that there is a nice spray-on bed liner. And you have 4 tie-down cleats. So you have 2 on the driver's side and 2 over on the passenger side with a 120 volt outlet just right there. And there you have it. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of our interior rear features. So now we're taking a look at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So here you have your door handle up at the top. Just down below that, we only have power windows on the back doors, but you have another door handle just in behind. And then down at the bottom, you have a small compartment with a cup holder in it, and then a speaker just at the side. Quick look at the rear interior, which is leather upholstery as well. Now these seats are also a 60-40 bench seat split. You have 2 car seat anchors on the driver's side and 2 over on the passenger side. The middle seat also folds out not only into an armrest, but with 2 cup holders. And then a nice little feature, if you want to store a little bit more, something that's small, you can open up the driver and passenger seats, and they have a nice little cubby in there. Just like that. And to easily fold the seats up, you just push up on the seat, folds up like that. To put it down, you just pull down, and there you go. You also have some nice all-season floor mats. And just in the back here, you have 2 seat back storage pockets, one in behind the driver's side, one in behind the passenger side. And then in the middle here, you have 2 more cup holders, 2 heater ducts, heated rear seats, a USB-C port, a USB-A port, and a 12-volt outlet. So it's great for those nice long road trips. Look at all the legroom that you get back here as well. And you can see that you have your power windows over on the passenger seat as well. Now a quick one last look over on the passenger seats. That was a look at our 2020 GMC Sierra 1500 in carbon black metallic. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with the test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.